RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So there's another video today with the Wpl D14. I really enjoy this. I've had a lot of fun with it. I've driven it quite a lot, put quite a few battery packs through it, and the setup that I found most entertaining is this one actually, with some rally tires from the SG116 scale series. So they are from the same model as the drift wheels that I used in my previous video to show you how this can drift. And yeah, now I've got some rally tires fitted and it's a lot of fun. It handles really well. Got some scale bounce to it. Decent speed, enough to have some fun and do some slides on like loose surfaces, like really fine gravel or even dirt. So it's really enjoyable and I highly recommend this. I got some footage. I'm going to show you guys how it handles on that kind of surface. And yeah, it's just a lot of fun. And to be able to fit these wheels, I've printed some spacers that I've shown you in my previous video, as you can check out here. So it's really simple, just a little spacer and adapter, maybe it's a more correct term, to make these wheels fit, because I think these are 9mm and WPL uses 5.5 of course. So really easy mod. Did have to move the front wheels out a little bit to clear the suspension arms, but otherwise nothing really complicated about it. Just fit them and it's a lot of fun. I can highly recommend this. So as I said, I've got some footage. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think and what you want to see in future videos, and enjoy.